Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I take you through my diecast collection. Today we have with us the Aston Martin DBS from the James Bond movie No Time to Die, and this again is a diecast by Mini GT. Let's open this blister and get started. I have gone ahead and uncarded this car, and you can see that it comes with this really beautiful poster from the movie along with this silver box and the car right here. Taking a closer look at the car from the front end, it has the very beautiful Aston Martin logo. On the hood, you have that number plate from the movie. The acrylic front headlights look really beautiful, and the grille as well is very well detailed. The side profile of the car really looks very beautiful, especially with that long bonnet in the front. You also have the DBS lettering at the side. Here you also have the Aston Martin logo in the rims as well. Now, although these are good looking rims, but they lack the brake details and brake calipers, which I think is okay for the price range. Now, it also comes with mirrors which are rubberized, so they would break very easily. The rear end of the car is very well done, especially with that acrylic tail lights, the Aston Martin logo in the center, and the number plate. You also have generous amount of carbon fiber details all around the car, which give it a very nice touch. This Aston Martin DBS by Mini GT is a very detailed replica from the James Bond movie No Time to Die. And if you are the James Bond fan, this is the car that needs to be in your collection. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video.